बाबू, हम वनवासियों के लिए अगर कुछ कर सकते हो तो हमारे बच्चों को पढ़ा लिखा दो और हमको मलेरिया से मुक्ति दिला दो।
This tender plea by a Vanavasi laid the foundation of a colossal movement in India, and thus the inimitable movement, the Ekal movement for primary education, healthcare, development awareness and value-based education reached the threshold of Vanavasi cottages and rural society. Besides spreading the light of knowledge in the life of lakhs of children of more than 55,000 villages of India, the Ekal movement has transformed the lives of thousands of rural people and Vanavasis and empowered them to lead a happy and healthy life. This is the new face of a changing India. Achieved through 26 years of inexorable service and sacrifice rendered by Ekal. The novel experiment in education in rural and tribal India by Ekal has educated the children through playful means. Under open sky or under some trees, Ekal Vidyalayas or single teacher schools are imparting all-inclusive support education to children of 6 to 14 years of age group in mere 3 hours of school time. Arithmetic, language, science and general knowledge are part of the core curriculum. In addition, there's emphasis on physical education, arts and culture. The teachers are local youth who receive extensive training to provide quality education. The transformation in the lives of children of Ekal schools can be easily perceived.
हमारे विद्यालय की सभी कुछ सिखाते, खेल कूद करना, बड़ों के आदर करना, मेरे माता पिता के आदर करना, कैसे साफ करना है, कैसे क्या सब काम करना है, ये सिखाते हैं.
To bring rural children and Vanavasis into the digital age, the Ekal movement started the Ekal Computer Labs for them. A mobile computer lab brings digital literacy to the children at their doorsteps. A concept which was beyond their imagination. The new experiment has attracted people of all age groups and has brought a drastic transformation in their life. To keep children healthy, information regarding personal hygiene is also given in Ekal Vidyalayas. Clean India movement has been given an impetus by every volunteer of Ekal. They are educated about methods to prevent diseases which cast a deep effect not only upon the children but also upon the rural folks. In order that the rural people and the Vanavasis remain healthy and disease-free, Ekal's Arogya Yojana, on the one hand, organized free health camps, on the other, has inspired the rural people to keep their vicinity clean and to construct toilets. In order to discern the efforts of Ekal, a group of pre-medical students from America also visited India this year. The group assessed the services rendered by Ekal in a Vanavasi village. The Ekal movement has established Gramothan centers for overall development of villages. In spite of problems of irrigation in barren lands, Ekal has transformed the villages through its pioneering experiences of organic manure and organic farming. Farmers have increased their income tremendously owing to flower, fruit and vegetable farming. Shramanand residential schools have been established in Gramothan centers to provide higher education to the talented students of Ekal schools and to make them self-reliant. Besides higher education, agricultural training is also imparted to students so that it can help them to get employment. In these Gramothan centers, sewing and computer training is also given to the Vanavasi children and youth. In cow-based farming, the farmers and students of the school are skilled in organic farming and pest control techniques. Ekal has also taught the landless farmers about the importance of Poshan Vatikas, nutrition garden, and as a result, the farmers have been able to raise their health and eating standards and even raise their income with better and more produce.
साल में अभी 4-5 लाख रुपए मैं खेती से कमाता हूँ। ये सब ग्राम उत्थान के वजह से हुआ।
The Ekal movement has been able to spread the policies of the government to the common man through its Jagaran Shiksha, a mass awareness program. Vanavasis and villagers today are aware of their rights, learning how to get information through the Right to Information Act. The Ekal movement has relentlessly worked on Vyasan Mukti, or addressing alcohol abuse and caste issues from Ekal villagers. The Ekal movement has strengthened the foundation of social transformation. The Panchmukhi Shiksha of Ekal is educating not only the students but also is making the villagers and Vanavasis independent and empowered. With your support, the Ekal movement today has reached to more than 55,000 villagers and Vananchals.
एकल विद्यालय, वन टीचर वन स्कूल, और देश में गरीब बच्चों को ट्राइबल बेल्ट में, दूर सुदूर जंगलों में ये शिक्षा का अभियान चलता है। और हैरानी होगी आपको, 52,000 एकल विद्यालय चलाते हैं। 52,000 पूरी टीम है। उस टीम के काफी सदस्यों को मैं जानता हूं। सुभाष जी उसके लिए समय देते हैं, बड़ी रुचि लेते हैं, और मेरा जब मिलना होता है तो अपनी एकल विद्यालय की एक आध बात बताने में उनको बड़ा आनंद आता है।
Let us work together to make India strong, and that can be done only with rural India becoming strong. Join with me in Ekal movement.
Your dedicated support has turned it to a social movement of education and development. And now, with your great support, Ekal movement aspires to reach those far-flung areas which are still immersed in the darkness of ignorance. This country is yours, its soil is yours, and the Ekal movement is also yours. Come support and contribute to the selfless services of the Ekal movement. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.